All right, so this is how to get a Godaddy link. So basically what this is as you can see, it's just a URL that's specific for your Agnes and Dora group or your Agnes and Dora shop that you can direct people to instead of your long URL that you have, which is whatever you've selected .agnesandora.com. So it just basically shortens it and it lets you brand better, brand yourself and your shop better. So I have shopallthethings.com. I'm in the process of changing it, but right now that's just what I did because I talked about buying all the things in the beginning and then they could shop all the things and it just became what it is. So you'll want to go to GoDaddy.com or wherever and get your URL. Find one that you like, buy it. The only thing is you cannot have any more Agnes and Dora by or Agnes and Dora A&D, Dora. You can't have any of this or close similar to in your URL. It is part of the policies. So that is why I don't have this anymore and it is expiring. So I have shopallthethings.com. So once you have your website, what you can do is you can create subdomains. So let's click on this, manage connection. To get it to forward, so you'll get your whatever your website is. Let me see, I didn't have this all pulled up yet. But I have my shopping site, so whatever it is, I just copy the URL that you want it to be directed to, which actually would be my main, the home. So I would select this as my URL, copy it, and then you would go in here and you would have it forward to the domain. And this automatically pops up when you go in here. So I don't know exactly where, but you can click around in here to find it if it doesn't pop up for you. But you'll just see the forwarding and you'll update forwarding and you'll add that this is what I just copied. You'll paste that in here, update it, and click save. So another great trick I learned well after the fact, instead of creating a bunch of paid domains, is you can create subdomains. So what a subdomain is basically checkout dot whatever your website is. So checkout.shopallthethings, group.shopallthethings, join.shopallthethings, return.shopallthethings. So it basically keeps it consistent with Shop All the Things, but the first half of it will link to a different place. So you can create within your URL a place or a link that will go somewhere else. So basically, the checkout.shopallthethings.com, this will go to my checkout form for live sales. Group.shopallthethings.com will go to my group page. Join.shopallthethings, that'll go to my join page on my website. So if anybody wants to join, I can send them that. The return form is return.shopallthethings. So you can get the idea of the benefit and the use for these. Every time you add a subdomain, I think you can have up to like 15 or something. I don't know. I don't know why you would ever need them. There's plenty. So add subdomain. Once you add it and attach the URL that you want it to link to, you would hit save. Make sure you hit save. So that is getting a URL and grabbing subdomains.